Algorand generally is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker Algo that basically has a kind of present worth of $0.203112 and a market capitalization of $1,631,661,399 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Digital currencies basically have especially lengthy past a purpose in being a toy for tech. These days, it's a resource class that in every practical sense is significantly controlled and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate. Some huge speculation banks even basically obtain Algorand and most certainly other digital currencies as a group to in every practical sense safeguard their resources under administration against the jogging expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, now is the right time to especially uncover our short, mid, and fundamentally long-haul forecast of the improvements on the algo market that basically depend on the readings of our sort of one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability file that truly assists us with measuring the market opinion and in a real sense, expect where in which the market plans to go in an essentially significant manner. At this point, the cost of Algorand really is $0.203112, while the coin right now generally winds up at 45th spot in the very by and large genuinely positioning in an unpretentious manner. The said fundamentally positioning certainly is assessed based on the resource's most certainly present value that basically is duplicated by its in every practical sense current market capitalization, a recipe that explicitly is applied all through every monetary market, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients especially get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios amazingly. It's likewise critical to really consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in an unpretentious manner. On January 10, the cost of Algorand certainly was at $0.185525 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change for the most part added up to 9.22% as opposed to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on January 4, Algo truly was esteemed at $0.204774, which explicitly intends that from that point forward, the value sort of has in a real sense varied by 0%, which in every way that really matters is very critical. A month prior, on December 11, the market member laid out the cost of Algorand at $0.201830. Thusly, the coin truly has taken a 0.64% action to arrive at its sort of present standings in an in every way that really matters, enormous way basically. Nonetheless, as currently made sense of, the cost of Algorand isn't the main essentially factor that we by and large consider while making the cost forecast. Further appearance how Algorand certainly is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker Algo that for the most part has an especially present worth of $0.203112 and a market capitalization of $1,631,661,399, or so they most certainly thought. It's likewise essential to really keep a genuinely sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to by and large have a for the most part clear perspective on where the market especially is going, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. The examination of market capitalization really conveys fundamentally equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors, or so they thought. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology especially is utilized to really decide the in every practical sense, by and large position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example. Changes in market capitalization especially sure or negative especially are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could basically be going, as well as the resources truly potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both by and large short and long haul points of view, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. This specific pretty measurement fundamentally is likewise used to check the predominance of Algorand, comparable to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in a for the most part significant manner. To really decide the by and large current market capitalization of Algo, we in a real sense duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will be basically made sense of later by the genuinely present worth of the digital money under survey, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Starting today, the market capitalization of Algorand truly remains at $1,631,661,399, which frames the reason for genuinely present sort of positioning explicitly was referenced before, which especially is very huge. Yesterday, on January 10, Algo had a market capitalization of $1,493,188,102, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Keep going week, on January 4, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $1,638,616,213 in a kind of enormous manner. A month prior, on December 11, the market worth of Algorand in every practical sense was evaluated to be $1,615,972,370, or so they by and large thought. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that truly have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining in an unpretentious way. These digital currencies can commonly be utilized either for commonly dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. This measurement likewise considers the coins that essentially have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which especially is applied to control the expansion rate in a significant manner. Ultimately, the circling supply most certainly is utilized to essentially work out the market capitalization and certainly survey the coin's kind of current remaining in the positions, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. It signifies the general measure of algo that truly is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that explicitly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large really accepted that digital currencies that fundamentally have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million generally are the most appropriate for, in every practical sense, long-haul speculation, since they in every practical sense are generally sort of liable to especially see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, which certainly is genuinely critical. At this point, Algorand especially has a circling supply of 8,033,312,538 coins in a by and large huge manner. Over the truly beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with Algo arrived at the place of $108,543,820. Truly further appearance a complete stock considers the quantity of coins that generally have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining, which really is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on January 10, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame truly remained at $113,045,364, showing hit at this point, the cost of Algorand basically is 0.203 win-win $2, while the coin at present basically ends up at 45th spot in the really generally speaking positioning, which sort of is very critical. 7 days prior, on January 4, how much algo that was traded between market members explicitly was assessed at $149,686,952, versus the especially thought. Presently in every practical sense comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the quintessence of the crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, since it's a focal point of our cost forecast model that permits us to truly predict the way that Algorand will follow over the really next 1 to 5 years in an unobtrusive manner. CVIX truly is the consequence of